Summer can be a challenging season for tomato and pepper growers. During June, July, and August, temperatures often rise high enough to stress plants, reduce flowering, and slow fruit production. Extended periods of extreme heat can cause wilting, flower drop, sunscald, and poor fruit development if plants are not properly protected. Fortunately, a few simple gardening practices can help tomatoes and peppers remain healthy and productive even during the hottest months of the year. By conserving moisture, protecting roots, and reducing heat stress, gardeners can continue harvesting fresh vegetables throughout the summer. Mulch is one of the most effective ways to protect tomatoes and peppers during extreme summer heat. When the sun beats down on bare soil, moisture evaporates quickly and the soil temperature can rise to levels that stress plant roots. A layer of organic mulch, such as straw, dried grass clippings, shredded leaves, or compost acts like a protective blanket. It shades the soil from direct sunlight, helping it stay cooler throughout the day. Mulch also slows down evaporation, meaning the soil stays moist for much longer after watering. This is especially important during June, July, and August when temperatures can remain high for many hours. Plants growing in mulched soil often require less frequent watering and experience less heat stress. As organic mulch breaks down, it also improves soil quality and adds nutrients that support healthy plant growth. Drip irrigation is another excellent way to help tomatoes and peppers survive intense heat. Traditional watering methods often waste water through evaporation, especially during hot weather. Drip irrigation delivers water slowly and directly to the root zone where it is needed most. This allows plants to absorb moisture efficiently without wetting the entire garden bed. Even a simple homemade bottle drip system can provide similar benefits. By filling a plastic bottle with water and making a few small holes near the bottom, water is released gradually into the soil. This slow watering method encourages roots to grow deeper in search of moisture. Deep roots make plants more resilient during drought and heat waves. Consistent moisture also prevents common problems such as blossom end rot in tomatoes and flower drop in peppers. Watering early in the morning is one of the simplest changes gardeners can make to improve plant health during hot weather. Morning watering gives plants a chance to absorb moisture before temperatures begin to rise. The roots can take up water and store it within the plant tissues, helping them withstand the heat of the afternoon. Watering in the middle of the day is often less effective because much of the moisture evaporates before it can reach the roots. Evening watering can work, but wet foliage and cool nighttime conditions may encourage certain fungal diseases. Morning watering strikes the perfect balance by reducing evaporation while allowing leaves to dry quickly. Plants that start the day with adequate moisture are far less likely to wilt and suffer from heat stress during periods of extreme temperatures. Many gardeners think pruning always helps plants, but heavy pruning during summer heat can do more harm than good. Tomato and pepper leaves serve an important purpose beyond producing food through photosynthesis. They also provide shade for developing fruits and help protect the plant from intense sunlight. Removing too many leaves exposes fruits directly to the sun, which can lead to sunscald. Sunscald appears as pale, white, or yellow patches on tomatoes and peppers and can ruin fruit quality. Leaves also help regulate plant temperature by creating a cooler environment around stems and fruits. During heat waves, it is usually best to remove only dead, damaged, or diseased leaves while leaving the majority of healthy foliage intact. This natural canopy acts as a shield against harsh summer conditions. Keeping weeds under control becomes even more important during periods of high heat. Weeds compete with tomatoes and peppers for water, nutrients, and space. In hot weather, every drop of moisture in the soil is valuable. When weeds are present, they absorb water that should be available to your vegetable plants. Some aggressive weeds can establish extensive root systems that quickly drain moisture from the surrounding soil. This competition can leave tomatoes and peppers struggling to get the water they need to produce flowers and fruits. Weeds can also reduce airflow around plants, creating crowded conditions that may encourage pests and diseases. Regularly pulling weeds or covering the soil with mulch helps ensure that water and nutrients are directed toward the crops you want to grow. A weed-free garden allows tomatoes and peppers to remain healthier, stronger, and more productive throughout the hottest months of the year.